many people watch Papen. Well, or should I say ho, ho, ho. Today is Christmas. Merry Christmas to all the Christians, or you know what, everybody out there, not only for the Christians. Merry Christmas. Without further ado, you guys are coming with me. I'm heading to the gym right now and let's go and do my workout. I'm actually pointing there. I don't know why I did that. Let's head to the gym. Let's go. Before I leave to the gym, I just want to show you guys there's no Christmas spirit around here. It's just so boring, but I know one way we can bring up that Christmas spirit. The only way to bring the Christmas spirit is by my car, myself, because yeah, there's no Christmas spirit around, as you guys can see. It's actually really hard to vlog with my phone. It's better with a camera, but yes, let's bring that Christmas spirit. I just really hope the camera doesn't fall because I love driving in my car. I don't know whether you guys can hear that. Go! It's auto, I know, okay. Relax. I prefer auto. Come on, go! Let's go! Look, what do we have here? Yes, I have the whole gym to myself. My friend is coming later, so we'll do our chest workout today. Yes, I do have the keys to the gym. This is my dad's gym, technically my gym as well. Just going to do my workout and then maybe bring you guys to the fish shop. I hope they let to vlog because I've been to many shops and they just don't allow me to vlog. So I hope that happens. Enough talking and I'm just going to do my workout. Back home, and yes, I'm going to buy myself a Christmas present. A gift for me. It's not Christmas present, it's just a gift for myself to treat myself for the end of the year because this year has been shit. So you guys can ask me, what am I going to buy? You guys are going to know based on the thumbnail that I'm going to post. I'm going to buy fishes and filter system, every system for this fish tank. If you guys watch my previous vlogs, I'm really crazy about this fish hobby and things because I love fishes. So previously I had a betta fish in this tank. Yes, just one betta fish in this whole tank. So what I did a few days ago, the fish died. So I thought, why not just shift all the fishes from here to this tank because this tank was not in use. So it worked out well. I put a heater in there, filter system, all going on well. So this tank here is empty and I hate this table. It looks really ugly and it's really low. Like even like I'm sitting down here and it's still lower than that. So it's not really nice. Fish tanks are really better if it's higher. Maybe I might buy a table. I'm not really going to spend that much because the table is really expensive. Why am I going to buy one when there is one? But I might buy it if the price is reasonable. So now what I'm planning is I have the table, I have the tank. I might just buy the filter system. Obviously I need a heater because AC is going on in my room all the time and I have to keep my fish warm, not warm, just room temperature. As you guys can see, this tank is in room temperature because it has a heater. Let's go to this fish shop. My mom said she's coming with me, so let's go to the fish shop. I'm going to eat my lunch and straight go to that. See you guys there. It is indeed night and yes, I just came back home. It's 8 p.m. Wow, I spent a long time outside the house. I did not buy an extra tank. Actually, I went to the shop. You know what, let's promote them. They did not sponsor me. I spent all my money on this. It's Pets Family. Actually, I bought this tank in Pets Family a long time ago. They actually still have this tank. I didn't vlog there. Here's a short clip of that shop. Yep, it's that short because they did not let me to vlog. At least I took something for you guys to enjoy, but I don't think you can enjoy the 5 to 6 second clip. Yes, I did not buy an extra tank. I did not buy a table because the tables they were really expensive. It was $1,000 if I'm not mistaken. So I'm going to go to another shop tomorrow because it's already late. and most of the shops are closed. So I'm going to go to another shop tomorrow just to buy a table, because I'm not really satisfied with that table. And also I did not buy any fishes because the fishes there were not really that healthy. They really had nice fishes like puffer fish, as you guys can see over here. Yes, it's a really beautiful fish, but it was a big one. I want a small one. And also, if you buy a puffer fish, you can't keep any other fish because puffer fish eats fish. So I can't keep like a school of fish, just only 1 or 2 fish. It's not that kind of thing. Also, it will jump out of this tank. I don't want to close, or I don't want a lid for this tank. I just want to keep it open and natural. It looks better in this way. So what I bought is, I'll show you guys. I actually bought some decorations because most of the decorations you have to buy it online. You can't find like decorations like this. Very hard to find, and it's very hard to pick, because if you buy it online, there are many choices. If you go to a shop, there's only the choices you see. So, but I'm lucky enough to find this. I always wanted this in my fish tank. It's like a stone pillar thingy. It's actually really nice. I can decorate this very well, and it's like a square shape. It's easy to decorate, because if it's curvy, it's really hard. Like that thing is like really curvy. It's quite hard. What else did I buy? This bridge kind of thingy for the fish to hide and stuff. I also bought a heater. Oh wait a minute. Yeah, I bought a cactus because I'm just trying to go with a theme over there. Like I don't know what theme. I'm really good. It looks cool, so I thought why not. Also bought the same exact heater that I have behind there. This is Eheim. I don't know how you pronounce that. It's made in Germany. It's 99 bucks. It's 100 ringgit. If you buy expensive, it lasts longer, and also it's good for the tank, because I've heard about heaters blowing up and stuff. You wouldn't want that to happen to your fish tank. If let's say if I buy a really expensive fish mate, I don't want that to happen in my tank. I don't want my heater blowing up. And also, I bought a LED light. When I first bought this tank, I bought this exact light, but it was actually bigger. I thought the box looked big, and you know what? I thought, it fits, but it's actually smaller than the box. But it's okay. It will work. English. It actually looks nice. I will put all of this tomorrow because I want to buy some stones or sands. I don't know. Maybe I might just go with it on just putting it down. Last but not least, the most important thing. It's very hard to find, and it's hard to get it out from this plastic at the moment. Come on, you little guy. Yeah, it's not little. It's actually the size of my head. It's a hang-on filter, like how exactly like the one over there. If I'm not mistaken, it's exactly the same brand, but it is actually bigger. I don't have to put 2. This is more than enough for this tank. So that is all for today. I'm going to continue the vlog tomorrow. I'm going to go to another fish shop, probably buy the fish tomorrow, because I don't know what to put, and I must like it. Like this fish, when I first saw them, I'll show you guys. Yeah, these are the fish. That was me feeding the fish. They look really cool in real life. On camera, they're not really that cool because I'm vlogging with my phone. But I'm planning to buy a better fish that I would like. Like when I look at these fishes, whenever I feed them, they come up. I like their character. I also like the look of it. So if I'm buying a fish, I really want it. I don't want to buy it just because it's colorful or just because many people has it. I don't like that kind of stuff. I always like the fish that I want to buy, I want to have. And that's it for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. It is indeed the next day, and yes, I'm going back to the same shop where I bought this light thingy because it's not working apparently. It worked yesterday when they tested it out, because whatever stuff I buy, they test it before they give it to me. And it's not working now, and I have to go and return it and buy a new one. And not buy a new one, just change to a new one. I'll be back home later. I'm not going to vlog much. I'm just going to go and pick whatever fish I want to buy, whatever decorations that I want to buy, because I'm going to go to many shops. And the weather is not helping me. I don't know whether you guys can't see, It's looking like it's going to rain. I'm not really sure. I mean, yeah, it looks like it's going to rain. I'll show you guys in a bit. What is up, everybody? I just bought the fishes. It's right over there. I came to another shop here. And I went and asked them, can I have vlog? And they were like, nope, you can't record us. And they're like, okay, it's alright, as long as I get to buy the fishes. And I'll show you guys later. I'm here in this shop. Hopefully I get to buy the table for the fish tank. I tried to find few different shops. They don't have the size of it. They don't have the stock. I want it today because I don't want to order it. I want to put the fish today because I already bought the fishes. Let's see if we can find any other fishes in this shop, or maybe some decorations. Alright, enough of talking. I'll straight skip to the part of me showing you guys this whatever stuff I buy. Finally, I am back home. I just bought all these fishes, some decorations and stuff. You know what? Let's not waste your time. I'm straight going to show what I bought. Damn, I am soaking wet. It's raining here, and these are the stuff that I bought. The one over there I've showed you guys yesterday, including the cactus. I bought these today, this and that plant. Also, I bought some fishes. I'm not sure whether you guys can see them clearly or not. They are small angelfish. Another one, I don't know, I'm not sure about the name. Can you see there? It's called Rapunzel or something. I'm not sure. You know what? I'm going to search it and put it over here. Yep, that is the fish that I bought. I also bought a angelfish, black color, a tiny one. Also tiny goldfishes. Yes, that is what I bought. And what else did I buy? I also buy this cleaner fish. I forgot the name. It's a platco. Yes, it's a platco. Yes, this is what I bought. I will show you guys after I put it all in the tank. The tank is looking good. Also bought some white stones. It will be really nice with the white light that I bought. Enough of talking. The fish can't be in the bag for a very long time, so I have to set this up as quick as possible. And I'll show you guys the aftermath of what I do. I'm done setting up this fish tank. Damn, it takes so long to set up a fish tank. What's up, guys? I just finished setting up this fish tank. It took me so long to set up this fish tank because decorations didn't work together. I just mixed and buy it, hoping that it will work. It worked, but it took a long time for me to fix the position of it. I'm not going to waste anyone's time. I'm just going to show you guys this montage. You know what? Enjoy.
Broken pieces I can't fix. All I know now is I know nothing now. But maybe it's okay to be lost in your backyard. Okay, to wander worlds in the dark. Okay, to be lost in your backyard. Are we all just faking it? Maybe it's okay to be lost in your backyard. Okay, to wander worlds in the dark. Lonely little terrified hearts. Are we all just faking it? And gold cover me like skin of skeleton bones. I chase the high, let the strangers soothe me like a lullaby. Oh, the desert mirage keeps moving further out of reach. All I know now is I know nothing now. But maybe it's okay to be lost in your backyard. Okay, to wander worlds in the dark. Okay, to be lost in your backyard. Are we all just faking it? Maybe it's okay to be lost in your backyard. Okay, to wander worlds
it, guys. I'm not really good with montages and stuff because I'm using this tripod over here. You guys can't see that because I'm using it at the moment. And that is all for the vlog for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I want you guys to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and also hit the bell notification so that whenever I post, you guys are notified whenever I post it. I will see you guys next week, and that is all for the vlog for today. Take care and peace.